Hi, today today's video is going to be very useful for the people who wants to use the paid version of AI model free of cost, and that's to legal. Many a times you have asked me that is there any tool which you can explore it thoroughly before going to paid version, because that's a commitment that you may have to go for the paid version for 12 months or so, that you want to explore that tool thoroughly, that whether this is the tool you are looking for in the to for your purpose. Today I am going to demo you the same. If you think such video on AI and quantum computing is going to add value to you in your work, study and career, you must subscribe to this channel. Let's go to the tool for the demo now. The tool name is LMArena.ai. I will give the link to this in the description below. Once you open this tool, you can find that it looks something similar to this. And now here there is a very important point is called leaderboard. When you click on the leaderboard, you can find that based on the user input, who is the best model, which is the best model for a particular work. And now here you can see that from for text it is Gemini 2.5 Pro, then Claude, Cloud Sonnet, Cloud Opus, Cloud Sonnet 4.5, the other version, then GPT 4.5. For web developer, you have Cloud Opus, and for vision you have this. For research, for text to image you have this one. See, all this you can see how many votes they have got, and they have so you can just see out which is the best model. Like you can search from here too, from text, which is our the best model you can get. Gemini 2.5 Pro, this is the one, how many votes they have got, right? And which is the organization, how many is the control, right? How many is the score, right? For similarly, like for you are a text to image editor, you can just go, you have Nand, you have Gemini, you have GPT, and text to video, you have VO, right? So what is that is for your purpose. For your purpose, you can come here and you can just see which is the best model I know people are using till now, right? Now one more thing I want to show you, like what you can do is you can compare. You can compare the models, two models, like side by side. You can, and this is totally free. And this is suppose you want to compare Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is again a paid version, to ChatGPT, right? You can say 5.1, right? Now what will happen? You just suppose you ask as explain me intercropping concept as 13 years, right? Now what will happen is this will give you the output. This is just an example. This will give you the output side by side. The Gemini 2.5 Pro is just giving you that, and then you can compare both the output. Just wait for a second, and then yeah, here it is. Right now, one of the advantages of this website, this AI tool is this will give you the output side by side, so that you can compare. You can compare based on your requirement, which version, which model you like the most, so that you can take the decision to go ahead with that model, right? So this is for and so for anyone, like so for professors, for researchers, they can use the different model. For for a web developer, they can use Claude, or they can compare with some other tools, right? For example, for anything you can select your different thing, Claude, right? you can select Claude Sonnet, which is a thinking model, right? And you can again ask the same question, right? Let me ask the same question, and then you can compare between the two, how it goes. Yeah. See, now you can compare the same out of between these two different models, right? Is it Claude? Yeah. Ah, see here. Yeah. This is Claude and this is GPT. This is the, you know, first then go back here, GPT. Ah, right. Now, intercropping is when you grow different types of plants together in the same field instead of planting just one crop. Interspersing when a farmer goes two or more different crops in the same field at the same time in a planned way, right? So, whatever, I'm not saying this model is okay, this model is bad. What I'm saying is, based on your choice, based on the way you write it, the way you think it, whichever the output you want, whichever output you like, you can just start using that model, right? So this is the I wanted to show you a way you can compare the output side by side. Now let's go back one more thing. You can use this model. You can use this. Okay, you can use this tool as a paid version. For example, you have, rather than going to battle, just go to direct chat. Okay, and suppose I want to use. Okay, now I am convinced that I have to go with Gemini 2.5 Pro or anything, or I have to go with ChatGPT. I have to use the ChatGPT Pro model. And all these models are paid models, and then you can start using it. Okay, for anything. Act as a expert marketing. Act as expert marketing expert and advise me on how to launch my, you can put your product name here, target customer here, so you can start your conversation with the paid models. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show, that okay, even if you don't have the paid model and you want to use it for so this is the best site. You can you can direct chat here with a particular model, and also you can compare your output of two models by going here side by side. Okay, if you like this video, just think of subscribing this channel so that you can get this kind of update. In the next video, I am also going to talk about which free tools, always free tools, and how they are effective, and we will compare with the paid tools, so that you can if you like those tools, you can save money forever, because they are free tools with all the capability of the paid tools. But you have to decide whether it suits your requirement or not. I will just put their best feature compared to the paid tools in front of you, so that you can take the better decision. Thank you. See you in the next video.